Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The Samsung Galaxy S21 event will happen this Thursday. New marketing images have leaked on the internet pointing to two major cutbacks from the anticipated device. These images come from the German site WinFuture, suggest that the Galaxy S21 will not only be missing a charger but also a microSD card slot. Apple was the first to start the whole no charger trend with the release of iPhone 12. Samsung was very quick to mock Apple on Facebook, teasing the company for removing the accessory. But of course, just as with the removal of the headphone jack, Samsung later deleted its post as to prevent any online criticism. Samsung is saying they have taken this decision to remove the charger on environmental reasons. Well, we have to admit that it's a valid concern considering that 300,000 tons of e-waste are generated from included chargers. Most smartphone users at this point have a few spare chargers. Chinese phone manufacturer Xiaomi also pulled same thing as Apple and decided not to include a charger with the Mi 11. But they come up with a novel solution for potentially affected buyers. They are giving away a free charger upon request. It's unclear if Samsung will offer a similar deal for its fans. Even then, as with the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, while a charger was included in the box, it wasn't the company's 45-watt super fast charger. That was a separate purchase, and with Samsung looking to release a 65-watt charger this year, we are certain that people need to buy that separately. In addition to that, Samsung will remove a feature that fans have long become accustomed to, the microSD card slot. This isn't the first time Samsung has dropped the microSD card slot. Companies like OnePlus have long not included microSD card support with its devices, instead opting to give customers large amount of storage on the device itself. This has left customers largely satisfied. Everything we know about the Galaxy S21 points to Samsung only including 128GB of storage on the base model, with 256GB being available for a premium model. The Galaxy S21 Ultra can be configured with upwards of 512GB of onboard storage. Full specs for all three Samsung Galaxy S21 models have leaked courtesy of Android Police, with WinFuture providing info on storage capacities. The camera and processor specs were later confirmed by Android Authority. Speaking of camera arrays, the Galaxy S21's cameras are shaping up to be largely similar to what we saw on the Galaxy S20, but with some key upgrades to the most premium model. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus will once again sport triple cameras in the back, sporting an ultra-wide 12MP sensor, a 12MP main sensor and a 64MP telephoto lens. The highest-end Galaxy S21 Ultra will pack a second-generation version of the 108MP sensor found in the S21 Ultra and Note 21 Ultra, with a new 3x optical telephoto sensor and a 10x optical super telephoto sensor. That should lead to a big bump in zoom quality, and according to Android Police, Samsung will be bringing back 100x space zoom. Also, it will introduce laser autofocus on the S21 Ultra to avoid some of the focus problems from last year's model. From Samsung's part, the company is promising super intelligent pro-grade camera and video capabilities in 2021. A new teaser video has been released by Samsung to advertise its Unpacked event on January 14th, and in the footage we can see hints of upgraded camera features such as boosted low-light photography, improved video capture, and the ability to smartly snap photos within videos. If Samsung follows past practices, it will use two different chipsets to power the Galaxy S21. The latest Snapdragon 8 series system-on-chip for phones released in the US and one of its Exynos processors for the rest of the world. In the US, the Galaxy S21 should be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 chipset, which is the company's first 5nm chip. In addition, the Adreno GPU in the Snapdragon 888 should deliver up to 35% boost in the graphics performance. This should be the biggest leap for Samsung. Samsung's next processor is the Exynos 2100, and it will be another 5nm chip. This chip was originally thought to be called the Exynos 1000 and could come with a graphics accelerator made with AMD. Well, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.